Hello, once again, welcome to my channel. And wish you a happy new year and a very prosperous one. I pray this year will bring all your aspirations to pass. And then this year, I pray and I believe we're going to have a lot of things to do together. We're going to be moving into 3D, isometric drawing, and 3D this year. So we're going to be having this exercise on the screen you're seeing. Let's dive in right away. Here, if we analyze this exercise, you will see that we have this vertical line, which is a reference for this and this. And the center of this circle is likewise a reference for this circle here. And we can have that as a reference for this one, this 55. So we're going to start with this circle, then draw the circle for this. And this and this. So let me take this circle, and that is circle of radius 10 and diameter 12. So I put the center here. Okay, now let me put the center somewhere here. Radius 10. Press enter to repeat select command. Then diameter 12. Okay, so geometric constraint concentric, I want this and this to be concentric, which means they will always move to my dimensional constraint radial. So I want to make sure it's fixed and doesn't change. Okay, then the dimensional constraint diameter fix and doesn't change. Okay, so I'm going to take my line tool now, draw here a vertical line in length, it does not matter. Then repeat it again, another line here. We'll make that to be 35 as a case maybe. Press enter, another line, press enter. Now these three lines are construction line, so I'll make them red line and the dashed line. Okay, dashed line. Alright, so geometric constraint coincident. So I want this and this to be coincident. Enter to repeat this and this to be coincident. Press enter to repeat this and this to be coincident. So at that particular point, all of them move together. Geometric constraint fix. I don't want this circle to move at all, so it stay there. All of them stays there. So dimensional constraint radial. So from geometric constraint vertical. I want this guy to be vertical, so it doesn't move. Geometric constraint fix. I want it to be fixed. Okay, so it doesn't move. Now dimensional constraint radial. So from here, angular, dimensional constraint angular, you pick this and this to be 45. Enter. Likewise, this angle should be 45. So I do the same thing here and here. I want to do 45. Okay, good. Alright, now I'm going to draw a circle of radius 65, having here as a center. So I pick this, then I come here, then I have 65. Good. So geometry constraint coincident. I want this and this to be coincidental. Okay. Then dimensional constraint radial. I want this radius of this to be fixed. No condition should change. Good. So that is fixed. Let's clean up our screen a little bit. Hide all. Hide all. Okay. So right now I'm going to draw a circle. This circle here. Drawing this circle at this edge here, and I want it to be a tangent to this. So I'll take my circle, I'll put it here, draw it of radius 10. Okay, then I do another one, should be the center of this, of diameter I think 6, okay, 8, diameter 8. Okay, so geometric constraint concentric, I want this and this to be concentric. Good. Now geometric constraint coincident, I want this and this to be coincidental. Now the distance from this center to this center is 55, so I'll use my constraint, dimensional constraint linear. So I pick the circle and this circle and I make it 55. Boom. You can see this is already a tangent at that, so I don't need to work on that anymore. So we need to offset this line to this. So I'll take offset should be 10. If you look at the radius of the circle is 10, so I'll move it there. I have 10, then I will change this to construction line, a proper line, then by layer solid. Okay, so we have that. Then here is fixed and here is fixed, so I also have a circle here of radius 8, radius 8 and 4, radius 8. So take my circle tool, I put it here, okay, radius 8. Okay, so what do I do? Okay, let me move it. And start from here and move it here. Okay. Okay. Then dimensional constraint radial. Make sure it's fixed. I don't want any adjustment error. So geometric constraint tangent, I want this, sorry, and this to be tangent. Okay, because the other one is fixed, so it's going to move. Now geometric constraint coincident, I want center of this and this to be coincidental. Okay, geometric constraint coincident, so this point here and this. Okay, good. Dimensional constraint linear, so this point this line and this line to be 65. Sorry about that. That is too much of a constraint. Okay, and trim this. That's 65. Yeah, that's 65. Okay, then you can delete this, delete that. So from here to here, 65 minus 8, 65 minus 8, that's 57. So dimensional constraint linear. I want this point here and this point here. Sorry, dimensional constraint linear. Okay, this angle here and this line, I want it 57. Okay, now then geometrical constraint coincident, I want this and this to be coincident. Okay, good. So this you can hide. The most important thing is you need to know your mathematics and know how to manipulate your shapes to get what you want. So likewise, you can see this is also the same distance from there. So I'll do that right away. Dimensional constraint linear. So from here, linear to this one. Okay, sorry, dimensional constraint align, rather this one will be a line here and here. I want 57. Okay, so I do 57 and then can come here, take my circle tool, point there, then that should be 8. Okay, geometric constraint coincident, I want this and this to be coincidental. Geometric constraint tangent, I want this and this to be a tangent. Okay, so we can see our shape is drawn. So so you can see here we have 8, and here we have 65. So from here, if we offset it to this point, what are we going to get? 8, that is 16. 65 minus 16, what do you get? 65 minus 16, what do you get? Calculator. Okay, we have 65 minus 16. No, 65. So we have 49. So we can either offset it by 16 or we use 49. Okay, I'll use 49. So let's look at it. Offset 16, then we'll pick this and come here, you see, or we take a circle, Ctrl Z, we take a circle and come here and do 49. See, so that's the same thing. So you just need to know how to manipulate whatever you are doing. So I'll take the offset 16, offset of 16, then we come here, bring it in here. Are we there? So we can now use our trim tool to take care of this. Take care of this. Take care of this. Take care of this. So I likewise here we have 4, so we can offset this by 4 too. 4. Pick this. Pick by 4. Pick this by 4. Pick this by 4. Pick this by 4. Enter. Then we use our power trim tool. We can trim here. Use our delete to delete the entire remaining line. we'll delete this one too. Okay, our shape is gradually taking shape. Constraint, let's hide all constraint, hide all. Let's hide all constraint, hide all. So we have this circle here of 50. So we take a radius of circle 50. Use our constraint, dimensional constraint radial. We'll make it 50. Enter. Then we'll use our tangent to geometric constraint tangent. So this and this tangent. Let's enter to repeat last command. This and this a tangent. With power trim tool, trim this, trim this. So our shape is perfectly drawn. Perfectly drawn. Perfectly drawn. We'll pick here. Okay, draw horizontal line. Enter. Now we use that as a reference to do measure our dimension angular. This and this. But they have 45, just as stated 45. So you can verify the other ones and make sure everything is in order. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we are doing. We'd like to hear from you. If you know what this is, kindly tell us so that we all learn together. Let's hear from you from the comment section. Thank you.